Can you say sister? Oh, yeah. All of them lives on. Very good. How about this? Shark. And this one? Very good. And this one? Seahorse. Okay. Wait for Papa. Whale. Okay, this one is very good. And this one? Yeah. Next is octopus. Octopus. This one is fish. Very good. Whale. Next one, seahorse. 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 Where's the seahorse? Where's the seahorse? Mata look at him. Seahorse. Very good. And fish. What's this? Oh, Mata loves fish. Where's the fish? Where's the fish? Where's the fish here? Uh-oh. Put it down. Put it down. Wow, there. Ready. Very good. Okay. First in the row. Okay, Ali, where's the octopus? Can you find that? Partner of the octopus. Where is it? Wow, can you put it down here? Very good. Okay, can you put it down under the dashboard? Very good. Ali, the red frog. Okay, what is it down? Very good. Where's the frog? Oh, put it down. Okay, very good. Good job, good job. Next. What's this? What's this? Fish? Fish? Where's the fish? Where's the fish? Pull it properly. Fish? Put it down. Where's the fish? Fine. Fish. Put it down. Here, here. Very good. Next. Okay, where's the seahorse? Put it down. Very good. Whale. Shark? Where's the shark? Where's the shark? Very good. Next is? What's this? What's this? What's this? Look at picture first. What's this? What's this? Fish.